I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to everybody for rocking with me and pulling up on the channel. Make sure first things first, you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on what we have to come, man. Is Shiba Inu coin still a good investment? This is the video you want to watch to find out more. So this video won't be long. Join our private investment community, private stock market gang. We're giving out free alerts over here. You know, the community is making money. You know, shout out to one of my students, K Rock. You know, bro made over $3 million, you know what I'm saying, from what we're doing over here. So congratulations, you know, trying to help everybody eat. So follow me on Twitter as well. Shout out to Money Man, but follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco as well as Instagram as well. Be aware of the scammers in the comment section. I would not tell you to reach out to me via WhatsApp, or I would not most likely message you first. So be aware of that. Now, this is almost comical what's going on today. Y'all see we have a major, sell-off on the market right now. We got the entire market down 17%, exactly to the T, 16.97%. When we see something like this happen, this is a joke. I just got my dump truck, backing up to, my favorite cryptos, and I'm just buying galore right now. This is why you leave cash on the side. And I don't actually mean cash, but I mean money invested into stable coin. So when the price dips on, your favorite coins or favorite assets, you're able to jump in and take advantage of these discount sales. So let's go through this. This is absolutely, just a joke right now, so I'm not worried at all. If you believe in any of these projects, you should be buying. We got a massive Black Friday sale. If y'all follow the channel, did I not call this out? Did I not tell y'all that people will be pulling money off the table for the holidays upcoming? I don't know if y'all paid attention when I told y'all that, but I told y'all that. Notice where we are sitting at right now. We're with SHIB. We're sitting at the 34.59 level. We're going to come back to that, but I just want y'all to see that. But Bitcoin currently is down 17.74% in the last 24 hours. Man, that is an amazing discount to be able to buy into that right now. El Salvador is still buying the dip. If y'all don't know, El Salvador is the country that made Bitcoin its national currency. Now, if that country is still, diamond handing and buying even more, that's a sign, y'all. Connect the dots, man. I gotta say, connect the dots. This is the time. This is the time you should be buying the most aggressively. We normally, y'all, I tell y'all normally, we just got Bitcoin down to 17.54%. This is amazing. So normally I tell y'all, I'm waiting for, a 10% dip for things to hit my radar, and 15% dip, I'm normally pulling the trigger on my favorite ones. Y'all, we got the entire market down 17%. Everything's going to be down 15%. When the market gets hit like that, you just go crazy. So remember, this is not financial advice. Do not risk yourself in more, with more than you're willing to lose. But this is the thing. You buy now. They even got the stable coins down right now. This is hilarious. But when you do this and you buy this dip, right now we're down 20% for the day on Solana. Imagine you buy this dip right now, we're down 20%, but imagine tomorrow we're up 10%. That means whatever you bought today is up 10% just the next day, man. Connect the dots, man. I really rock with y'all for rocking with me. So, I sometimes get a little passionate about sharing this information. So please don't ever take anything I'm sharing with y'all offensively or like I'm trying to put anybody down. It's just that I want y'all to understand this is a buying opportunity. I want y'all to make money, and I know a lot of people sit on the sidelines and, look, come on, man. We got Dogecoin at 15 cents, man. If you've been buying Dogecoin anywhere in the 20-cent range, now is the time to load up your truck. Do not be afraid. This is what happens. This is why I call this out for y'all. I told y'all this would happen. I try to prepare y'all beforehand, before we see it happen actually, so that way you don't get shaken out of your position, or that way you just feel you're able to feel a little bit more comfortable about the position you're in. We got Dogecoin down 25%. This is amazing. I'm going to buy some more Doge. This is amazing right here. We got SHIB down 18.15% right now. This is amazing buying opportunity, even though I did call this. Now we're sitting at the 34s. Let's take a look at the chart now. You click on the trading view. A lot of people ask me, how do you get back to the candle section? You just click on trading view right here under Shiba Inu to USD chart. You click trading view and it will show you candles. So here, zoom in here. Notice we're sitting perfectly. We're sitting perfectly at that 34 level, right in between this resistance and support. Now, if you've been watching some of my previous videos, I called we were coming back to this 35 level. I told y'all that. Now, some people, don't like when I say that. Some people get upset at me. They y'all would, not everybody, but some people, they think because I said where it will come back down to that I made the price go down. Y'all, I would not feel right if I just got on here every single video telling y'all the price would only go up. I don't want to do that to y'all. I want to tell y'all key areas in the chart where we can identify where the price is likely to retrace to. That's all I did when I said that it would be pulling back to the 35 level. And as you can see, we pulled back even further than that level. We had a dip all the way down today to the threes, right to that 29 level before, people bought that dip automatically up. So remember when I told y'all about setting buy orders, or limit orders extremely low and hoping that you get filled? This is what's happening right here. We're seeing smart money identify areas in the chart super low, setting these limit orders, letting the price run. They start to run off. They start to sell off. They take profits, start to sell off. Everybody in the middle sells off. People start losing, selling at a loss. Panic sell kicks in. And then what happens is their low buy orders, that smart money, these institutions, the whales, the people that are, working against us, and really not even working against us. They just making money. They trying to do the same thing that we're doing. It's just they have the upper hand against us. But they're setting those limit orders very low. Think about that. Somebody who set a limit order. Let me delete that off the scribble. So imagine a person who set a limit order right here at this 3 level. If he bought $1 million worth of shib right here at this 3 level, let's do the math, because I want y'all to understand what's actually happening. Y'all got to realize this is a real war taking place. And I don't mean real war like where people are being, hurt or whatever, but, it's a battle happening right now between, us bulls and bears, and, the people manipulating the market, market makers, whatever we want to call them, whatever, they go by many names. But, there's a war between us and the ones that don't want shib to hit a penny. And it's going to be hard because they're making money back and forth through this entire time. That's why I try to encourage y'all to, secure some profits, because we can get stuck in these times of manipulation like this and, leading right into perfect timing of a holiday where, on top of manipulation, we get held down by people taking profits out of the market for, gifts and things like that. So right here, where we dip down to that 3 level, back up to exactly where we are now, is a 15% increase, y'all. 15%. Now let's do $1 million times 15%. So that's $150,000, y'all. Connect the dots. So listen. If somebody put in a limit order down here for $1 million worth of shib and their order gets filled, they get scooped up and the order gets pushed back up to where we are right now, the price gets moved back up to this point, people buy it on top of their order, they are making a 15% increase on top of their money instantly. Instantly, y'all. Think about that. They just made a quick $150,000 if they invested $1 million at that dip with a limit order set down there. You don't think they're going to take that $150,000 off the table? So if they make that quick and it instantly goes right back up, they're going to take that $150,000 off the table, let the price shoot back down, let the price start selling off again, and just continue to repeat that cycle over and over again. That's what's happening, y'all. So I'm trying to, paint this picture for y'all. I can't, you gotta, if you're still very, very new, it might be hard to understand some of these concepts. But for y'all that's been around for, rocking with me for the last year or the last 6 months, y'all should understand what I'm saying. And that's why I teach y'all about these market cycles, and how the holidays and things like that can affect the market and how they will affect the market. So, let's take a look, at one of these articles we got right here from CoinDesk. Bitcoin drops 9K in an hour on spot. Market selling. El Salvador again buys the dip. The cryptocurrency is trading around $47,960. So shout out to Nicolas de Omkar Godbole for dropping this article. So let's see. The price of Bitcoin plummeted early Saturday, falling nearly $10,000 in roughly an hour to a temporary low of $42,000 before bouncing up to $45,000. Bitcoin has fallen some $15,000 over the past 24 hours. Ether, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, fell around 1,100 over the same period. Y'all, this is absolutely bonkers. And for us that understand not to get afraid, if you have some dry, capital sitting around, the time is now to scoop these dips up on your favorite projects. 17% sell off in the market. We don't see that often, y'all. So the leading cryptocurrency reflected a broader drop in crypto markets, according to Coindesk price index, with some cryptocurrencies falling more than 20% over the past 24 hours. That's a Black Friday sale, if you ask me. That's a sale. You know what I'm saying? Scoop that up, y'all. This is not financial advice. Don't come crying to me because, you know what I'm saying, you couldn't get, I ain't gonna say that, but, just be smart with your money. That's all I'm trying to tell y'all to do. But I want y'all to recognize these opportunities. So I'm trying to, let y'all understand it's serious. So most of these assets appear to have suffered a sharp decline starting around 4 UTC Saturday. According to CoinGecko, the overall market cap is currently hovering around $2 trillion. Spot market selling seems to have driven the cryptocurrency lower before triggering huge stop loss in the derivative markets. So far, I've seen upwards of 4,000 BTC being sold that pushed the market abruptly down. So this is what I tried to tell y'all about. Remember, we've been talking about in these videos about people, short sellers and things like that. People that have been betting going long on Bitcoin, betting that it would go up, have been getting absolutely wrecked today. All their stop losses have been wiped out. Everybody who had a stop loss at a respectable area has been wiped out, y'all. So, that's, it's crazy. But that's why we're in this for the long term. What it does on the daily, weekly, monthly, it really is no concern to me. Yes, in a sense for buying and maybe skimming a little profit here and there, with some of my other projects. And, some of y'all are already, taking profits with SHIB, and I do not blame you, because I only invested what I'm willing to lose, so I don't have to. I could just sit there and set it and forget it. But some of y'all, tried to really hit a home run. So if you put a little bit more than you were supposed to, and it went up, at a price where you were, it was life-changing money to you or something very exciting to you, I don't blame you for taking money. How could I be mad at you for that? How could anybody? Nobody ever went broke for taking profits, So just keep that in mind. But this is a time to buy. This is a time where you can, really take advantage of all these sales that the market has to offer for us right now. So everybody's stop loss has basically been wiped out already. So let's see. So far, I've seen upwards of 4,000 BTC being sold that pushed the market abruptly down. A crypto exchange traded fund expert and director of CEC Capital, in fact, 1,500 BTC alone was sold in less than a minute at the time of the drop. Data tracked by CoinGlass shows the price drop has triggered nearly 600 million worth of Bitcoin futures positions in less than an hour, y'all. They just took $600 million from people betting on Bitcoin futures. That's people that are betting going long on Bitcoin. When I told y'all, people that are betting that the price is going to continue to rise. Remember when we talked about options and futures and things like that? That's in that lane. So remember, we will be getting into that as well. We already been talking about options for over a year on the channel. Y'all just might be new if you haven't heard me talking about options yet. But I'll let y'all come check this article out on CoinDesk. I just want to let y'all know what's going on, man. Don't be, shaking out. The market ain't going nowhere. All this didn't get built, just to disappear tomorrow. It's not financial advice. It could happen. We could wake up tomorrow and the whole market be gone. So don't hold me to that. But, I highly doubt that. But, that's all we really got for this video. If y'all would like to learn technical analysis so you can understand how to identify these key areas, in a chart where you can know how to get the best discount and know when to wait and buy, because it's not all about just jumping in, finding a project and jumping in right at that moment. You want to know when to let it cool off a little bit more. You want to know how to understand, for a wider time frame, today might be the best time to buy for this hour, but what's the best time to buy this week, or what is the best time to buy over this month? And using technical analysis will help you determine that. And that's what my course helps teach investors. So reach out to me via email, get my technical analysis course, teach you how to interpret the data on the chart and become a much better informed investor. Also, my crypto 101 course is available. Also, my stock options trading course is available. Also, you can get that by reaching out to me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Please be aware of scammers reaching out to you and pretending to be me on social media and in the comment section. Do not fall for it. So again, also you can get tickets to the crypto seminar. Shout out to bro. You can get tickets to the crypto seminar, y'all. StockGoat University presents the Las Vegas New Year's Crypto Seminar, exclusive event hosted by yours truly, DecemberDeMarco, welcoming all investors to the most lit decentralized finance seminar in the U.S. You will learn about stocks, crypto, NFTs, and the metaverse. Come tap in. This will be December 31st in Las Vegas. The location will be exclusive. It will be released the day of the event, but you want to get your tickets to, already, have things in place. Reach out to me, y'all. If y'all really rocking with me, all my students that's been knocking it out the park, I expect to see y'all here. You know what I'm saying? Especially new ones that are looking to take things to that next level and really become, one of my students that are, taking things to that next level. You want to be at this event. So, we'll be doing a lot of things, a meet and greet, seminar for VIP ticket holders. We'll be having a dinner. We'll also be having a nightclub toast to bring in the new year and just celebrate what we've done this year and what we'll be doing for the next year. So don't miss this event. I'll be giving out over $20,000 in crypto prizes and gifts as well. So this is going to be, a pretty, exclusive, but also dope event, catered, lunch, everything, food, drinks, fun, games, music, and more. So tap in with me. That's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.